Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, October 5. Government has received $807.5 million in grant funding from the World Bank to implement its climate data and information management project. Through the agreement, which was signed on Friday, Jamaica will get technical assistance to improve the country's resilience to climate change. The country's hydrometeorological data collection and forecasting systems will also be upgraded. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips explained its importance.
If we are to be able to prepare the projects to take advantage of the availability of resources within the Global Climate Fund, we're going to need adequate data to support these project preparation activities.
The Global Climate Fund is the world's biggest multilateral climate financing vehicle. It funds projects in various countries to help them adapt to extended changes in weather patterns, such as drought. The Ministries of Education and Health are reporting success in the overall handling of cases of the hand, foot and mouth disease in schools. Speaking at a joint press conference last Friday, officials said a number of proactive measures were being taken to ensure the safety and well-being of students and staff.
Affected children have been sent home until they are well again. Schools have been disinfected to prevent the transmission of the hand, foot and mouth virus. This is in addition to the normal sanitation activities in all schools. Some schools have been ordered closed because the number of cases exceeds 10% of the school population, as well as other factors identified by the public health authorities.
The health minister added that parish health departments were doing their investigations and taking follow-up actions in the affected schools.
The ministry has prepared and made available guidelines on managing HFMD to the schools through the Ministry of Education. We have made information available on our website and invite persons to visit moh.gov.jm to keep updated on this matter.
As of last Friday, 98 schools had reported cases of hand, foot and mouth disease. Most of the affected schools are in St. Catherine, Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Thomas. The Jamaica Teaching Council JTC has developed a program tailored to improve the educational performance of boys. JTC's Chief Executive Officer Dr. Winsome Gordon says boys' performance is not as high as girls, and the recent National Education Inspectorate report highlighted that more creative learning techniques need to be adopted.
So we have developed with teachers a number of strategies to engage boys in the learning process. We are focusing a lot on their vocational areas and to interpret their mathematics, English language, social studies, into the needs, into the character of the technical vocational areas in which they're involved.
Dr. Gordon's comments come as Jamaica and other countries observe World Teachers' Day under the theme, Empowering Teachers, Building Sustainable Societies. A church service to award outstanding teachers will be held on Sunday, October 11 at the Kingston Parish Church starting at 8 p.m. Jamaica, through the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, is coordinating relief efforts for the islands of the Bahamas in the aftermath of Hurricane Joaquin. ODPEM is taking on the lead role as one of the participating states of the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Agency, CDEMA, and the sub-regional focal point for the Northwestern Caribbean. Initial reports out of the Bahamas have revealed an immediate need for basic food supplies and water for residents dwelling in the affected sections of the island chain. The government of Jamaica, with the help of the British West Indian Guard ship, has dispatched 50 tons of supplies. Bedding and other comfort items have been made available as part of post-disaster efforts. And finally, Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips is in Peru participating in the annual meeting of the Board of Governors of the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. While in Peru, Dr. Phillips will also participate in the 2015 Commonwealth Finance Ministers meeting from October 6 to 7. In addition, he will take part in the second Regional Caribbean Dialogue on Sustainable Development Goals. The Finance Minister is also scheduled to have high-level meetings with the Managing and Deputy Managing Directors of the IMF and senior officials from the U.S. Treasury Department. And discussions will take place with representatives from other multilateral and financial institutions. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.